Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to day 18 of 21 days to good hair. I know I'm back after really long and I had a very valid reason behind it. I've got some deep conditioning done on my hair, so I wanted the effect to wear down so that when we use another ingredient, we can see actual results of that ingredient. Well, today's ingredient is something which will not help me fight my hair issue but also my face problem. If you see, there are numerous red bumps on my skin. Well, I feel that the cause of these red bumps has got something to do with the dandruff I'm facing right now. Well, yes, that's true. Dandruff can cause irritable skin and bumpy skin on the high points of your face, your back and your shoulder, because the flakes tends to fall off, and where they fall off, and they tend to leave bumps or red bumps. So that's what I feel is happening to my skin right now. So today's ingredient is lemon. I know lemon is extremely popular and well-known ingredient which helps control the problem of dandruff, but we'll be adding a little twist to our lemon recipe because we will add apple cider vinegar to our ingredient today. Well, where lemon has citric acid, it helps fight the fungus causing dandruff. It also makes our hair shinier. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, helps control and balance the pH level of our scalp. It obviously helps control dandruff. It also closes the cuticle of your hair, which makes your hair smooth and shine. And most of all, it has vitamin B and C. So because of those reasons, I feel that adding apple cider vinegar with lemon will make this pack more effective to treat the problem of dandruff and give us immediate result. So without any delay, let's get started. So our star ingredient of today, Mr. Lemon, we'll take juice of 1 lemon. Take approximately 5 to 6 spoons of apple cider vinegar. Add to another 5 to 6 spoons of water. Mix them together and then put it in a spray container. Well, you can also apply it via using cotton tabs, but I think this will be more convenient, mess-free and less time consuming. Let's get started. Hey guys, so this is 5 days after the hair wash and the solution that I applied for dandruff, because dandruff is something which does not appear immediately after a fresh hair wash. So I waited for 5 days to see the actual result, and I'll be honest, there is very less flakiness, even so you cannot make out in the video itself. So for me, even in one application, I have seen a tremendous great result, because otherwise my scalp usually gets very flaky and dry and with a lot of dandruff after 3 days of my hair wash, but this is my 5th day and it's looking super squeaky clean. So this was a great day. I think you should totally give this a try if you are suffering from dandruff. So it was a great day 18, and now I'll see you guys on day 19. Bye guys.